Welcome back. Math's easy step by step. This part 22 video. Try to keep it very short for you. I'm going to give you some suggestions to search the internet for worksheets with answers on the following: adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing fractions. Okay, this is really important. You need to make sure you can practice some of these skills. Also, okay, look for worksheets with answers. Using a products table to find a common denominator in order to add and subtract fractions. It's important you continue to practice these problems. Converting a mixed number fraction into an improper fraction. And you also want to find worksheets with answers working on how to convert or continue to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. So it's important you find worksheets with answers so you know if you're doing it right. You can just keep doing it right. If you're doing it wrong, you can check your work to find your mistake. We all make them. The golden road to knowledge are your mistakes. Then learn from it and get better and better and better. You absolutely can do this. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me in this part 22 video. Kept it very short, giving you some suggestions to look for worksheets with answers on the internet. Keep practicing. Don't quit. You absolutely can do this. Thank you for joining me.